In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about Google's AI Studio, which is a AI tool that can be used to learn any program or software. You just have to share the screen with this. So to use this software, you just go to Google, then search for Google AI Studio. Open the first link, then go to Stream, click on Share Screen, entire screen, select the entire screen picture and click on Share. Hi AI, tell me how I can add two numbers in Windows Calculator application.
To add two numbers in Windows Calculator, you can open the Calculator application, enter the first number, press the plus symbol, enter the second number, and then press the equal symbol to get the result. Would you like me to walk you through these steps in more detail?
No, thank you. How do I clear this application?
To clear the application, you can press the C button on the calculator. Would you
How
like
do I
me to
close
help
this
with anything else?
application?
To close this application, you can click the X button in the top right corner of the window. Do you have any other questions about using the calculator application?
Thank you. Please guide me that how I can use this Snagit tool to capture an image of current screen.
All right. Usually to use the Snagit Capture tool, you open the program, select the Capture button, or press the print screen key, then click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Would you like more detailed instructions or have any specific
No,
questions about the
thank you.
process?
Now tell me how I can add an arrow to this image.
To add an arrow in Snagit, typically you'd select the Draw tool from the toolbar, choose the arrow style, color, and thickness, and then click and drag on the image to draw the arrow where you want it. Do you see the Draw tool in your toolbar?
Yes, thank you. How do I save this image
Your
to my desktop?
To save the image to your desktop, you can click the File menu, then select Save As, choose Desktop as the destination, and then name the file and click Save. Does that file menu appear at the top of your screen?
Thank you.
Were you
How
able to save it to your
how I
desktop?
can how I can crop this image?
How can you what? To crop the image, you can open it and snag it again, select the crop tool from the toolbar, and then drag a rectangle over the portion of the image you want to keep. Do you see the crop tool in the toolbar?
What if I use open this image in Microsoft Office Picture Manager? Then how I can crop
You can
this
open the
image?
image. To crop in Microsoft Office Picture Manager, after opening the image, look for the Edit Pictures option, then select Crop from the available tools and adjust the cropping area as needed. Do you see the Edit Pictures option?
Okay. Then
Have you found the Crop option?
where is the crop option?
Okay, I see a menu on the right side of the screen. In
Okay.
that menu, under the
Now show me step by step.
I notice that you're adjusting the cropping area. How do you want to crop the image?
What next?
Now that you have selected the portion of the image you want to keep, you can click the OK button in the crop settings to apply the crop. Do you see the OK button?
Yes. How do I save this crop image now?
To save the cropped image, you can select File from the menu bar and then either Save to overwrite the original image or Save As to save it as a new file. Do you want to overwrite the original image or save it as a new one?
Thank you. So this is my cropped image. I want to use this Excel file as a test case. This is my server IDs and I want to search these server IDs in column number H and find the corresponding I column and populate it into this column B. Can you please help me?
Yeah, I can certainly help you with that. To confirm, are you planning to search the IDs in column H and then populate the corresponding values from column I into column B?
Yes.
Okay. One way to achieve this is by using the VLOOKUP function. Would you like me to help you with that?
Yes, please.
All right. Can you enter the following formula in cell B2 equals VLOOKUP A2 HI2 false. After that, you can drag that formula down column B, and it should automatically populate with the corresponding server names from column I. Want me to break down this formula for you?
How do I fill it from top to the bottom?
Once you have the formula in cell B2, you can click on the bottom right corner of that cell and drag it down to the last row where you want to apply the formula. This will copy
Okay,
the
thank
formula
you.
down the column.
Now, how do I
You're
format this group of cells in green color if they contain OK as a value?
No problem. Select the group of cells. Then, in the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, choose New Rule, select Format only cells that contain, and set the rule to format cells that contain specific text with the text OK. Finally, choose a green fill color in the Format options.
Can you
Does
please
this make
guide me
sense?
step by step over here? Please guide me here.
Okay, where it says Cell Value, can you change that to specific text?
Hmm. Then,
Now can you type OK in the format only cells with box?
then, please suggest then.
Great. Now, select Format and choose the Fill tab and select the green color and press OK.
Then,
Have you selected green color and pressed
yes.
OK? After this, press OK to apply the rule.
Okay, thank you. Now I want to play with canva.com.
Okay, you want to use Canva. What are you hoping to create or explore on the platform?
Please tell me how to log in canva.com.
To log into Canva, on the left side of the screen, you should see a Login to your Canva account button. Does that appear for you?
Yes. How do I create an image for my Instagram post?
To create an Instagram post in Canva, you can click the Instagram post icon. It's a red square with rounded corners and a plus sign inside. It's located towards the top of the screen.
How do I add an image
Do you
of
see
a
it?
projector to my Canva?
To add an image, click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and then choose to upload a file from your computer
How
or
do I
drag and
search
drop an
from
image.
Canva library and add image of projector to my Canva?
To search from the Canva library, click on the Elements tab on the left side. Then, you can use the search bar at the top to look for Reactor and add your selected image to your design. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Now guide me further. How do I add this image?
Now that you have searched for Projector in the Elements tab, simply click on the image you want to add it to your post. Is there anything else you need help with?
How to change the size of this image?
To change the size, you can click and drag the white circles at the corners of the image to resize it.
How do
Does
I
that work for
position this
you?
image to the center of Canva?
Click and hold on the image, and then drag it until you see vertical and horizontal purple lines appear. This will indicate that the image is centered. Would you
Okay,
like
thank
me
you.
to help you with
How
anything
do I add a
else?
background?
To add a background, click on the blank space on the canvas. On the left menu, find the background option and choose a background from the available options, or upload one from your own files.
How do I
Is there
add a
anything else I can...
background image from the Canva library?
To add a background image from the Canva library, click on the Elements tab on the left side and use the search bar to find a background image. Once you find one you like, drag and drop it onto the canvas to use it as a background. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
How do I move this background to the back of the image?
To send the background behind the image, you can click on the Position button at the top right. In the drop-down menu, select To Back. Is there anything else?
How do I fill the whole background screen?
To fill the whole background screen, click on the background, then drag the circles at the corners until it covers the whole canvas. Anything else?
How do I add some text to this Canva?
To add text, click on the Text tab on the left side, then choose a heading, subheading, or body text option. You can then type your desired text into the text box on the image. Anything else I can help you with?
How can I save this image?
To save the image, click on the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download and choose your desired file type.
Okay,
Do you need
thank you.
help with anything else? You're welcome.